out here with this box from Stitch Fix. I can't wait to open it and to share it with you guys. Hi everyone, I'm Barbara at BCsells. Welcome to my channel and welcome to a Stitch Fix unboxing and try on. Okay you guys, if you are not familiar with Stitch Fix, let me just give you a couple fun facts. First of all, the styling fee is only $20. And that styling fee is applied to any purchase that you make out of that particular box. Oh, this is a big box. I was wondering what was in here. I cut it open, but I didn't peek. Looks like there's, I don't know, some type of bag, maybe. It's gotta say a strap. Let's see. Styling, oh, they give you a envelope. Anything you don't want to keep, you put in this prepaid envelope, drop it off, I believe it's the post office. Yes, the post office, or give it to your postman, woman, and let them take it for you. And let's see, what else? Shipping's free. So let's see who I have as my stylist. You get an invoice and you get a style sheet. And what they do with the style sheet is the items that your stylist sends you, they give you suggestions on how to style them. Okay, I'm not gonna peek at all that. I just wanna see who my stylist is. Okay, yay, I have Emma again. I'm excited about that. Oh, what's in here? Oh, I see what that strap is. Okay, this is the pricing. I'm not gonna look at that till the end. I'll share it with you at the end. So what we'll do is take a look. Here's my bundle. And let's see what this other thing is. It's a big box. Oh, this is nice. Look at that. Isn't that nice? It looks like it's black. I'm not gonna take the plastic off until I decide if I'm gonna keep it or not. A lot of it depends on the price. This is really nice. I like the zippers on the front. Oh, they're real pockets. Real pockets. Okay, so there's two of those. This feels nice and flexible. It's not as stiff. I don't know if it's faux leather or real leather. I guess the pricing will tell us. Okay, there is a snap. Oh, darn. There's no zipper. This is kind of like that Hobo style. I like this. I actually love this style. Okay, let's look at the inside. The inside is really nice. Wow, look, it has, hope you can see that. It's striped. It looks like it's black. It has 1, 2 pockets on this side. Great place to put your phone and your keys or your glasses. And then there's a zipper. Yep, that's where I would put my little wallet, money, whatever. Lipstick. This is nice. So what do they call this? Like the Hobo style? This is a good possibility. I do like this. The only issue that I might have with it is it snaps and doesn't zip. I'd rather have a zipper for security. Because a lot of times when I get in the car, I'll throw my purse into the passenger seat. Have you ever had where all the stuff falls out and you're like, oh, you know, because you didn't snap or zip up your purse? Yeah, it happens to me a lot. Okay, let's see what's in here. Get rid of that noise. Okay, so I'm gonna hold everything up real quick. I'm gonna put the information on the screen and then I'll do a quick try on. White, love to have some white. This is nice. Kind of flowy, but that's okay. It's got a real pretty, like, I guess that's embroidery on the front. That's pretty. But it feels like on the back, it feels like that real stretchy material that I don't like. The front feels like cotton. Okay, well, we'll try it on and see what it looks like. And price, of course, price always matters. Unless you love it. And then if it's in the budget, you guys know what I mean. Okay, so here's a, oh, that's cute. Navy top, very cute, see-through sleeves. It looks a little conservative for me. Looks like something you would wear to work, and I don't work outside the home. So, we'll see. Try it on. It's very pretty. It is very pretty. What's this? Oh, this is nice, of course. It's Daniel RAINN. I can see that right away. This is heavy. Look how pretty that is. It looks like it's black. Some maroon in it. It's got the little cap sleeves. The split neck that I like. Look at the bottom. That's nice. Okay. Uh-oh. Whenever, oh, these are Gen 7. I don't think Gen 7s fit me very well. They're nice. They're a nice bright color. They have the unfinished hem that I like. So, I don't know. I don't think Gen 7 and I really get along, if you know what I mean. But we'll try them on. So I'll be right back. Okay, the jeans are mine. I don't know where I got these, but the Gen 7 jeans, couldn't snap them. They were so tight. When I went to take them off, they would only come off inside out. That's how tight they were. I knew those weren't gonna work. But I tried. So these are my jeans. Okay, this is the Market and Spruce top. It's navy. It's the Hans Crochet top. It's a very pretty top. It fits me perfect. It doesn't look as boxy as when I first held it up. So it does kind of, you know, give me that hourglass shape that I like to wear. The back is solid. So the front is this very pretty overlay lace. Let me take, this is my necklace from a Transcend box. Let me take that off so you can see the top a little bit better. So it does have an underlay or a shell just in the front, not in the back. The back's solid, but the lace is beautiful on this. It's got the see-through on the sleeves, fits me perfect, has a zipper back. I'd say this is a pretty cute top. Just gotta find out what the price is. Okay, let me change into the other top, another top. Daniel RAINN. Okay, of course the quality is wonderful on this top. It's very cute. I like the silhouette of it. Love the split neck with the cap sleeve. Very pretty. I like the difference in the patterns. Little slits on the side. Looks like it's longer in the back. And then the detail right here is really nice. It has like a, I don't know, like a piping, I guess, right here. And it's almost like it's got like a, I don't know what you call it, like an overlay, like a little bit of a stitching overlay. It's hard to see. And then it kind of has layers here, which is nice. Goes all the way down to here. I love the difference in the patterns. Gives you that hourglass look that I like. Okay, let's try on the last top. Okay, this is the top from Pale Sky. This is my skirt that I actually, well, I had on when I opened the box, and this is actually from my Amazon haul. If you guys haven't seen that, I'll post the link up here. Okay, let's talk about this top from Pale Sky. It is a mixed media top. So it's got beautiful crocheting detail. Let me show you how long it is. And this one is actually, I think, too big on me. See how on the sides. Okay, this is how long it is. Look at the crocheting. It goes all the way down the front. It is lined in the front. And then here's the back. Look at how long the opening in the back is. I think it's longer in the back. Yeah, it's longer in the back than in the front. I think this one is just a little bit too big for me, but the detail on it is very pretty. Okay, let's do a wrap up. Okay, that was fun. All right, let's go over the items real quick. I'll give you my thoughts on them and I'll let you know if I think I might keep it or not. And actually, I think everything I just don't know yet until I watch back at the footage and hear your comments. So let's just start with the bag, the Hobo bag. This is $54. It's the Donna Contrast Trim Hobo bag. Love the style of this. Love, love, love it. I would say for the price, this is probably faux leather, which is fine. Let me give you a close up. The strap is really nice with the detail on it and the gold hardware. I mean, it's very, very pretty. Love the inside with the stripes. The reason why this is a no, because it doesn't have a zipper. Yeah, I'm one of them that if I set my purse down and I go to pick it up and it falls sideways because, yeah, it does have a flat bottom. I don't carry a lot of stuff though. So things could fall out, you might not realize it. So I always try to zip up my bags. So this is going to be a no, but very much my style. So I love the style. Okay, Gen 7, oh my gosh. I should have just, well, I couldn't show them to you because I couldn't snap them, but they are so it looked like somebody took a spray paint and sprayer and just sprayed these on me. It was bad. It was so bad. And I don't know, is Gen 7, are they more for like juniors? The younger girls? I don't know. $99, cropped fray hem skinny jean in red. $99. So we know those are a no. Okay, so we know 2 definite no's right now. Okay, the Pale Sky white embroidered mixed material, size small, $64. Okay, first of all, it was too big. The arms in it were just too big, not something I'm comfortable in. It's longer than what I would normally wear. It has the button closure in the back. It's really, that's a long, isn't that long? I just slipped it over my head. I didn't even have to unbutton it, which is great. But look at the crocheting. The crocheting is really nice on here. Goes all the way to the bottom. So, and for this doesn't look like a $64 top to me. No, I mean, I didn't love it, so I'm not keeping it. Not even going to even think about sizing down to a smaller size. Okay, the next top is by Market and Spruce. This one is navy. Hans crochet front, $58. Okay, this top fit me very well. It is very, very pretty. I like how you can see through the sleeve. I like the crocheting on it and then the solid back with the zipper in the back. But it's just, you know, for $58, it doesn't wow me. I mean, it's just a round neck crochet navy top. I mean, it fit me very well. This is not something I will reach for to wear. No, it looks like something I would wear to work, and I don't work outside the home anymore. So this is going to be a no. All right, the Daniel Rain top. I think this is the only thing that I'm on the fence about. I love Daniel Rain. This one is, oh, this is black, $54. Oh, look at the detail on the back. It has that little bit of crocheting across the back. The colors that are in it are very pretty. Here's the front neck with the split. And then the material, the different pattern on the bottom. I mean, it's very pretty. It's black. I'm kind of trying to get out of, you know, the darker color. I've seen so many cute tops that I've requested on Stitch Fix videos, like really kind of updated, fun, stylish tops that have little cutouts in them or something. I mean, that's kind of what I'm looking for, is that piece that is different. And unfortunately, when you can send a note to your stylist, but once that section disappears, there's no way to send them a note. And I saw a couple tops on a couple other channels that I love, like love. They have the little cutout in the sleeve here, or both of it here, and has a knot on it, and they're solid. I like solid. I'm a solid, well, I got stripe on today. I prefer solid. This is a lot of pattern for me. It's just a little busy. I mean, it's very pretty, but what I gotta figure out, is it something compared to everything else that I own? Will I reach for it, or will it sit in my closet? So, I mean, the quality is wonderful. I mean, I think, you know, the price for Daniel Rain, you get quality. So, I don't know. So I'm really on the fence. And you never know. I'll go back and look at the video. I'm like, oh, that really looks cute. Oh, I should exchange that for a different size. Or, you know, oh, you know. So I look at the video pretty quick, and then I decide, and I listen to your comments, and then sometimes I waver back and forth with you guys. So, because you guys make me think about things that I didn't notice. Okay, so that's my Stitch Fix. I do have a referral code, and I think it's $50 off. If it works, I will put that referral code in the description where it says show more. It will be in, just click on show more. The information will be on there along with everything that I just showed you. I'll put all that information in case you want to request it. And what else? I think that's it. That's all I have. That was fast. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, from my home to yours. And be safe. Let's try this again. Don't you think? Get this long top into my skirt. Oh, goodness. I think it's a little big. Let's get the necklace back on. All right, let's do take two.